Hi, and welcome to Mad for Mondays, where we love to make a difference in the world. I have a special guest with me here today who will let you know who she is and what she does to make a difference.
Hi, my name's Susan Dean from Dean Publishing, and I help extraordinary people share their message and their teachings to the world. And I do that through books. So not only physical books, but ebooks and interactive books that allow the readers to really get engaged with the author and learn from them all that they've got to share with the world.
Wow, I really love what you do. And of course, I loved it so much. I produced The Conscious Leader with Dean Publishing. So highly interactive. And, you know, what a great way to make a difference. Getting those stories out to help other people share what works for them so that perhaps they can make a difference in their life too.
Yeah, absolutely. There's nothing better than a story, and we all learn from others. So if we can, share forward our teachings and share forward our stories with the world, together we can make a difference.
I love that. And so how do we get in contact with you? What's the best way?
The best way is to go to our website, deanpublishing.com. And if you want to chat, there's a little link there called Expert Call, and that's there for you to just jump on and find out a little bit about what we do and how you can, utilize our services here at Dean Publishing to get your message in a book and out to people's, everyone can afford a book. And I think the best way is that, even if we can afford a book for $30, you're putting all your knowledge into a book that can truly make a difference, not only in the person's life, but as we know, it's always the ripple effect of all those people around them as well.
Wow. So get out there, make a difference. If you're not writing a book, then you know what? Go and buy one. Use that knowledge and make a difference in your day too. Thanks so much for sharing, Susan.
No problems. Bye for now.